get drunk from the perfume on your sweater. And you talk a ton about a single letter. Cause you're still obsessed with your ex.
哇！
一个棚子，哦，小心小心小心。